Artificial intelligence is transforming many industries, and one of the most exciting and debated advancements is in the world of art. AI-generated art has become a major trend in 2025, with AI programs like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion creating breathtaking images in seconds. These tools allow anyone, whether they're artists or complete beginners, to generate complex and beautiful works of art with just a few words or a prompt. But the question on everyone's mind is AI replacing human creativity, or is it just a new tool for artists to use in their craft? Let's start with the basics. AI art generators work by using deep learning algorithms trained on vast datasets of existing art and images. These algorithms analyze patterns in visual design and can then generate completely new, original pieces based on the user's input. It's like having a creative assistant that can turn your ideas into visual art almost instantly. One of the reasons AI art is trending is because of its accessibility. You no longer need years of training or expensive equipment to create professional quality art. Anyone can hop on a platform, type in a few words, and get an image that looks like it was made by a seasoned artist. This has sparked a huge interest among content creators, marketers, and individuals who want unique visuals without the high costs or time commitments involved in traditional art creation. However, this explosion of AI art has sparked controversy. Many artists and traditional creatives argue that AI-generated art threatens their livelihood. They worry that as AI tools become more advanced, their work might be undervalued or even replaced by machines. Others argue that AI cannot replace the human touch, the emotion, or the personal story behind a piece of art. Another important point of discussion is copyright. Who owns the rights to an image created by an AI? Is it the person who created the prompt, the company that developed the AI, or the AI itself? This debate is becoming more important as AI art becomes more prevalent in advertising, branding, and even the fashion industry. But despite these concerns, AI-generated art is opening up new opportunities. Artists can use AI tools to explore new creative directions, experiment with styles, or even collaborate with the machine to create hybrid works that would be impossible through traditional methods alone. For example, AI-generated art can be used to inspire traditional painters or digital artists, giving them new ideas or helping them break creative blocks. The future of AI art looks promising, but it's clear that this technology is challenging our definitions of creativity and originality. As AI becomes a bigger part of the art world, it's up to us to decide how we want to integrate it into our creative processes, our industries, and our lives. So what do you think? Is AI art the future of creativity, or is it something that will always need a human touch? Let us know in the comments below.